Hey guys, I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot. Today we're back in George's Woodyard. You can see the conveyor behind me. We got some stacked wood back there. We got some unstacked wood over there, but most importantly, we got some unsplit wood right here. George has got his conveyor all fixed up. Got a new funnel in here. Things should be a little bit easier now. And we've got the modified splitter we're gonna try out for the first time today. How about you put that down? Better than what it was.
You got 400 bucks into this thing? About 5 grand, 500 bucks.
Probably a $3,000 splitter now.
Yeah, right?
So this is a pretty easy splitting session. Whoa, almost fell there. This is a pretty easy splitting session for me. I didn't know George was having a friend come over. I guess that buddy wants to run the splitter, which is fine by me. George says he wants to load it, so what do I have to do besides film and supervise? So that's what I'm doing. But since I put this whole splitter together, I wanted to be here the first time it was run, and I'm glad I came. George has got quite a bit of wood here. So he's got a bunch of saw logs. Those are going over to his sawmill. That's why he's saving those. But up behind him, you can see all the wood that we've split so far. Quite a bit. And here's, that's the pile we've done so far. I don't know what that is. Maple, maybe? Looks like maple. Things are going pretty well so far. No real hiccups. And the splitter hasn't blown apart yet, which is fantastic. Well, the splitter works. You guys can see it working behind me. We haven't blown it up yet, and I mean, we put it through some really, really gnarly stuff. So if it didn't blow up on some of that locust, I don't think it's gonna blow up. I'm pretty impressed with my fabrication skills. George is as well. He helped out, so I gotta give credit where credit's due. We're gonna keep splitting, get through a lot more of this locust. You can see there's a ton left behind me. We're gonna get to splitting. I can't be bothered with moving the camera all over the place. I'm gonna jump in and help out. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't seen the video of us build, it's actually 2 videos. If you haven't seen the 2 videos of us building that splitter, I'll leave the link down in the description or something. You'll be able to find it. Either way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that's not a subscribe button, that's a thumbs up button. Hit that thumbs up button too. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And until the next video, I hope you guys have a great day. And for my 5.6 female viewership, hope you gals have a great day too.